Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to send money from Whop to your team so you can pay your staff, freelancers, or partners fast, whether it's for content creation, customer support, or marketing. First off, log into your Whop dashboard and go to the Team section. Here you can add members and assign roles like admin, moderator, or developer. Next, once your team is set up, go to the Payouts tab. You'll see an option to request a payout or transfer funds to your team members manually. Here's a pro tip. If you're using subscription-based payments, enable revenue sharing under your product settings. This lets Whop automatically split earnings with your team on a recurring basis. You can choose to pay your team via PayPal, bank transfer, or crypto, depending on what's supported in your region. Don't forget to review payout schedules and fees. Some methods may take longer or come with transaction costs. So should you feel stuck managing team payments? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, set up your team once, and start sending money with ease. Let me know in the comments if you've used Whop to pay your team and what payment method works best for you. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.